Hello everyone, this lesson is about there is and there are. Two grammar expressions we use in English. We have positive sentences with there is and there are. Here is an example. The picture here is a vase. This picture that you see, this is a vase. And this is a table. The vase is on the table. For example, here, there is a vase on the table. One vase, singular. Hay un florero sobre la mesa. That is the meaning of the sentence. It's a singular sentence. The second sentence here is, there are two vases. The number two, for example, vases on the table. Here is plural, a plural sentence, vases. Or we can say there are vases on the table, in plural. Another possibility is there are some vases on the table, not specific. If it is 2, 3, 4, 5, we don't know. There are some vases on the table. It's a plural. We start the sentences using there, as you can see, verb to be in singular or plural, a plus object. In question here is vase, preposition on, next to. The preposition is the position of the object, and then the complement, the table. Here is the same. There, verb to be, the object. In this case we can use a number, or some, or only the object, the preposition, and the complement. Here you can see the negative sentence. The negative sentence is, there isn't a vase on the table. Singular. The negative is isn't. The rest of the sentence is the same. No change. The second sentence is in plural. There aren't any vases on the table. Aren't is a negative of plural. There aren't any vases on the table. Yes? But we can also have questions. The singular question is there a vase on the table? Starting with verb to be, is there a vase on the table? The answer is yes. There is a vase on the table. Or negative sentence, no, there isn't a vase on the table. For the question, as you can see, we use the verb to be, the verb to be at the beginning of the question. The rest there, plus the article a because it's singular, the object, the preposition, and the complement. The question in negative. The question here in plural, sorry. You can see, are there any vases on the table? Verb to be are, plural. There, any, we use any in plural. Vases on the table. Are there any vases on the table? And then the answer, yes, there are some vases on the table. If it's negative, no, there aren't any vases on the table. Any because it's negative. Here we can specify, instead of saying there are some vases, we can say, well, yes, there are 2 vases on the table, or there are 3 vases on the table. It depends. Here in this exercise you can practice. You have the object, a bed, any restaurants, a hotel, drugstores, school, markets, church, cinema, and house. You have to make the question with the object and then answer in positive or negative according to the parentheses. For example, is there a bed? The answer, no, there isn't a bed. Only like that. Simple question, simple answer. Here, any restaurants? The question, are there any restaurants? The answer is positive, yes, there are some restaurants, for example. You can go back to the sentences, check them carefully, and write your sentences and your answers. That's it for this lesson. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.